Will somebody please let me out of this box?
Watch closely. I'm about to show you exactly how I animated these images with free AI tools. Imagine making a random image, and a few seconds later, it's blinking, breathing, and even moving, almost like you cast a spell on it. Sounds crazy, right? And a few years ago, it would have been. But today, with a little sprinkle of AI magic and the knowledge to make it happen, you're in the perfect space. And guess what? There are a lot of powerful AI tools that can do this. Some are even hiding in plain sight. And the best part? I know of several that are free or offer free trials. Most people don't even know these options exist. But you're not most people. And if you watch this video today, you're about to learn the secrets to unlock a serious creative superpower. Because once you see what's possible, trust me, you'll never look at a single image the same way again. Ready to see the future? Let's go. First up, the tool's so easy, you'll think it's broken, but in the best way. Let's check it out. I'm going to open an account first. Now I'm logged in. You get free credits every day. Basically, there are 3 options: an image generator, video generator, and an AI generator. Since this video is focusing on animation tools, I'll only use the video generator. So there we go. I'll click right here, and now I'll add an image to work from. Let me add it in there. And for my prompt model, we'll just stick with this one. There's camera control. I'll just pick random and see what happens. Motion speed, normal, aspect ratio, and you can choose how many videos. I'll do 1 for now. It's ready. Wow, very cool. You can see the cats dancing, the studio lights moving, and the DJ cat looks like he's just jamming. I'm very impressed, to say the least. So this is Dreamina from CapCut. Now let's go try something else. Alright, this is Vidful AI, and it says you can generate videos for free. So let's click here. It looks like you don't have to sign in. I'll try and see. I'll choose image to video, then I'll drag my image in. I made it in Pixlumen. There we go. Okay, so we do have to log in, so let me do that really fast. Click generate, and let's see what it does. It says it's going to take about 5 minutes, so I'll come back in a few. Okay, so let's play it. There's the mouse. He's reading to himself. Very cute. And completely free. You can change the playback speed too. Let's download it, and it is going to have a watermark. Okay, there you go, but you can see that in just a couple of minutes, that original single image was just transformed into a cute, moving video. So really, really nice job. This is Vidful AI. Now let's go on to the next one. Alright, here's the next one we're going to try for free. This is Videomaker, so let's check it out. Click here to get started. I'm not even logged in yet, so I'll drag in an image here. We could blow this up if we wanted to, but I'll leave it as is. There's my prompt. Now click on Generate. There's also a text to video option, but for now I'll only use image to video because I'm working with images I've already created in Pixlumen for free. And now I'm working on animating my image for free. We'll see what it looks like when it finishes. I'll come back here once it's done. Okay, so that went pretty fast. Let's play it. So the cat is driving, and you can see all the buildings and everything moving behind it. Remember, seconds ago this was just a still image, and now we've got this. Next up, I'll try Pixverse. It offers free options and does a pretty good job. So if you sign up for an account, you get several free credits that you can use daily. So let's animate something. First, I'll drag in my image right here. I'll leave the other settings as is for now. Click Create. You can see it's pretty fast. So there's my little cat scout exploring the woods and making new friends. There's a lot of presets in here that you can also use if you wanted to. And if you want to download your video, click here. All their free videos are watermarked right up here as it's playing. But overall, really good results. Let's get rid of that picture. Alright, so that's another free animation tool to try, Pixverse. This is another new one that I've just recently found. It is Yeschat AI. It offers a lot of different things, chat, music, videos, and more. So let's just click on Get Started and see what happens. Let's go straight to the video option. And I'm going to drag this picture right there. 16 by 9. All right. Okay, so we do have to sign up, so give me a second. Let's add the picture again. Now click on Generate Video. Okay, it errored out, so let's try again. I'm gonna save this just in case. We'll try it one more time. I'll come back in a few minutes and check on it. All right, now we're back, and let's see what we have. Well, it's not as exciting as I would have liked. But yes, he is inspecting a toy as he holds the bunny in his hand, and you can see movement in the video. But overall, good quality from Yeschat. The next software I want to introduce you to is called Digen. This is another new one. These things are popping up all the time now, but I want to introduce you to it in case you're not familiar. So let's come up here, and we'll click on Create. It looks fairly simple to use. So we'll work our way across. First, I'll upload an image. There you go. I don't know if that goes there. I'm gonna put it over here too, just to make sure. I don't want any music. I'm not gonna do lip sync for now. And I'm just gonna choose 5 seconds. Let's click it and see what happens. So right over here is where the video is being created at right now. Okay, it just finished. Let's watch it. So now you can see it didn't really animate the bear per se, but it is moving all around him kind of. So interesting example, this is Digen. And that's it. Now you know all about 6 free AI tools that let you create jaw-dropping animated videos, starting with just 1 image. And if you thought that was crazy, just wait till you see what happens when you start mixing all these tools together. Stick around the channel because there's more AI magic coming your way soon. And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.